In a stunning diplomatic breakthrough, India and Pakistan have agreed to a full and immediate ceasefire. The announcement follows back-channel talks brokered by the United States. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio tweeted that over the past 48 hours, he and Vice President J.D. Vance were in direct talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and that the countries have agreed on the immediate ceasefire. In a statement, Rubio commended both prime ministers for their wisdom and statesmanship, adding that broader peace talks would soon begin at a neutral venue. President Donald Trump also weighed in, confirming the breakthrough, after which he described as a long night of talks mediated by the US. At 15:35 hours today, Pakistan's Director General of Military Operations called his Indian counterpart. It was decided all military action on land, air and sea will cease starting 5 p.m. IST. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed that instructions have already been issued to armed forces on both the sides. The next high-level call is scheduled for the 12th of May.
Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.